Okay, fam. This is Kwamen, The Journey. I'm back. My name is Kwame. My co-host Nissa is not in the picture today, but check this out. This is my little foregarden that I've created, and last year I planted sweet potatoes so that the leaves could decorate the walls. My initial plan was for the walls not to get so hot at daytime, and leaves can prevent you. But at the same time, the sweet potatoes themselves are are part of my food farm. And if you didn't know, sweet potato leaves are also edible. So I've been making stews of these leaves for a while now, and they taste great. They're just another good source for food. So I've not been brave enough to look for the sweet potatoes because that would mean that the leaves would die off. But today I am brave enough because we are at the end of the dry season, and I will just plant new sweet potato leaves. I want to see if sweet potatoes have grown in the ground since a year. So let's just take a look. This, family. These are not sweet potatoes. This is cucumber that I planted in the dry season, and where I'm just finding this huge cucumber bunch. Okay, I wasn't looking for it, but also some fresh cucumber in the house now. Cucumber is also very, very, very healthy. So cucumbers to the side. Great. My God. Family. The cucumber, I only planted like little cucumber roots, put them into the ground, and in the past rain season I had all these cucumber plants here, and it was like really beautiful, like having the sweet potato leaves, the cucumber plant which just has these long raisins, and now I'm finding all these big chunks of cucumber. Great. Check this out. Check this out, family. The sweet potato has a lot of roots, but I just found one huge sweet potato. So this is going to be a nice dish today. Great, 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 great. Let's see if we can find some more. And by the way, family, when you grow sweet potatoes and you don't let the leaves lie on the ground, if you do, they usually make roots, and all this making roots from them lying on the ground makes them spread their energy more into making roots than into creating the sweet potatoes. So planting the sweet potato leaves and hanging the leaves up, the vines, hanging them up, is also a support or much more a method to get more and bigger sweet potatoes. I can't find anything for now, and I have to say I'm already pretty satisfied with this big one and the cucumber. Let's see what kind of dish I'm gonna make today. Okay, this was definitely a little fast adventure. See you on the next one. If you haven't subscribed so far, like, share, subscribe, leave a comment below. If you have any questions, I will answer all of your questions. I will react to all of the comments. Right now we are at 33 subscribers. Shout out to all my subscribers. So much love, fam. See you on the next one.